Stop scrolling. This message is not for everyone. But if you feel like your life has more in it than what you're currently living, if you know deep down that you've been settling, then stay. Because one day, you'll look back at this moment and realize it was either a turning point or another warning you ignored. There comes a moment in life when you realize you've been surviving instead of growing. Not because you lack ability, but because you stop demanding more from yourself. Greatness doesn't disappear. It waits. If you want to become great again, listen carefully. 1. Remember the fire you once had. There was a time when you believed in yourself without proof. Before fear became familiar. Before doubt felt normal. That fire did not die. It was buried. Greatness begins when you remember who you were, before you learn to play small. 2. Take full responsibility for your life. No blaming your past. No pointing at circumstances. The moment you say, "This is my life, and I'm responsible for it," you take your power back. Great people don't wait to be saved. They take ownership. 3. Discipline your mind. Your mind is either building your future or destroying it quietly. What you focus on grows. What you tolerate stays. Control your thoughts. Choose focus over distraction. Choose discipline over comfort. A strong mind creates a strong life. 4. Do the work when no one is watching. Greatness is built in silence. Early mornings when motivation is gone. Late nights when quitting feels easy. What you do consistently, without applause, determines who you become. Silence builds strength. 5. Let go of what holds you back. You cannot rise while carrying unnecessary weight. Some habits drain your energy. Some environments limit your vision. Some people are connected to the old version of you. Let go, not with anger, but with clarity. Growth requires space. 6. Turn pain into power. Pain is not here to break you. It is here to shape you. Every setback carries a lesson. Every struggle builds resilience. Instead of asking, "Why is this happening to me?" ask, "What is this preparing me for?" Greatness is forged through resistance. 7. Decide that quitting is no longer an option. There is a moment when excuses end. No announcements. No promises to others. Just a quiet decision. Decide that you will keep going. Even when it's hard. Even when no one believes in you. That decision changes everything. Now remember this moment. 6 months from now, you will either be proud that you acted, or disappointed that nothing changed. This video will not change your life. Your decision will. Stand up. Refocus. Move forward with intention. Greatness is not something you wait for. It is something you choose. This is your moment. Become great again.